So at the start of the week, I placed a bunch of trades that I was pretty confident about. Most of these were based on a bullish strategy. The trades was placed on Tuesday with an expectancy to profit good on Friday close. But on second day, checking in, I noticed some of my positions was in very good profits already. So instead of getting too greedy, I decided to close some out early. Here are the ones I closed on day 2. Sell 200 shares of SPY. Closing a sell put option of Meta at 590. Closing a sell put option of Amazon at 215. Closing a sell put option of Palantir at 64. Closing sell put options of Nvidia at 128. On day 2, making a total profit of $3,064. Please note, my account is a margin account trading in euros and USD, so it might appear confusing. Day 3 of checking my accounts again. I see some good profits sooner than Friday. Making over 70% than 100% on a trade is still good to take some profits. Here are the trades I closed on this day. Closed a sell, put option of Signet Jewelers at 55. Closed some sell, put options of Nvidia at 129. Closed a sell, put option of Tesla at 392, making a total profit of $737. And the last day, Friday, I did not close out any trades, as you can see. The remaining ones are not in profit, so I decided to roll them over to the following week to see if I can close them out on a profit. But if not, no problem, because out of all of my trades, most of them made decent profits. So, I end the week making $4,544. All these small wins will add up, and I played it safe and never went all in, risking my full account. Anyways, thanks for watching. Remember, not to copy my trades, not financial advice. Subscribe and take care.